Muthenya wa kuririkana makinya maria bururi utacukitie kuhitana na ungumania utongoririo ni kamiti iria ihokeirwo wira uyu ya EACC. Na ndumiriri ya mwaka uyu ikurongoreirie hari gukorwo na atongoria matari na ucuke thiini wa wabici cia muingi. Ndumiriri ino igiuka thiku 27 mbere ya githurano kinene kia mweri ukite, na kamiti ino kugerera muikariri giti wayo Eliud Wabukala ikionekana gutigira akenya Wuigiririki wa kwamurania ma kuingira wabici-ini.
I wish to challenge ourselves to look further and scrutinize individuals' character before we entrust them with the opportunities to serve us.
We want now to appeal to the Kenyan people, the electors. Through the power of the vote, you can make the right choices.
Murugamo uyu wa EACC ukite makiria ma mweri umwe thutha wa kamiti ino gucabithia maritwa ma ateti matanyihire 241 aria mendekithitio kwaga gukorwo marire feini magikuruhanio na ciiko itiganite cia ngukumio, ona gutuika ni ndeto ya gucanirio kiuteti na kamiti ya IEBC ikiheana murugamo wayo ati no aria mahagurirwo tu magukorwo makigiririo gukorwo marire feini.
We have had so many governors have been taken in. We have permanent secretaries. We have quite high-profile people. And our reports, if you looked at the quarterly reports that we release, you will read the names of who is who in this country. And that's what we don't want to see. We want you to elect good people so that we don't go to that cycle of chasing after them.
We are hoping that our institutions such as EACC or DPP and other agencies and even IEBC will have enough laws to prevent anybody mentioned in corruption from ascending or even being in the ballot paper.
Wabukala augite ati ni gurabatarania watho wa kuramata uria ungumania ubatie ni kuhitanwo naguo, akiuga ati kuri na ugwati wa gukorwo na atongoria matari na Wuigiririki wabici-ini.
If you take a thief to parliament, he will mainly water down chapter 6 of the constitution and he will not be able to fight corruption. So I say let us all be involved.
We want leaders with integrity to be in that space where they are going to enact laws in parliament so that we have the right policies and the right laws to make sure that chapter 6 of the constitution is implementable.
Na wigi cioneki cia atongoria aria marugamite iturwa ngurani, atongoria aya no mathingatite akenya guthuthuria cioneki cio imwe cigekirirwo nganja kana ni ikahota gukinyanirio na ihinda ria thiku 100 iria ateti makoretwo makiranira.
Let us listen to our leaders as they present their manifestos, as they tell us what they want to do, but let us also judge them from their past offices they held.
Let us avoid leaders who are looking for employment and enriching themselves, but leaders who are going there to sacrifice their time, their life for the betterment of this country.
EACC yugite ati uhanite tari mutugo batie ni gwitikirika atongoria ungumania guthurwo wabici-ini na kwambarario ni akenya no maumirira ni guthukia rucio rwa bururi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.